In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in Trello. Whether you're organizing tasks, managing projects, or tracking your goals, Trello is an excellent tool to help you stay on top of it all. One of Trello's key features is its use of lists, which allow you to group and structure your tasks in a way that suits your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a new list to your Trello board, making it even easier to keep your projects organized and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello's website by typing in www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the homepage and click the Login button. This will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll have a couple of options to sign in. You can enter the email address associated with your Trello account, or you can choose one of the single sign-on options, like logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. Select whichever method works best for you. If you're entering your email, go ahead and type it in now. Next, enter your password. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, or if you're prompted for any additional verification steps, be sure to follow those instructions to complete the process. Once everything is ready, click the Login button, and you'll be taken directly to your Trello workspace. Now that you're in your workspace, locate the board where you want to add a new list. Trello boards are where all the magic happens. They're the main space where your lists and tasks live. Take a moment to find the specific board you want to work on, then open it by clicking on it. Once your board is open, navigate to the far right side of the existing lists. This is where you'll see an option labeled Add Another List. It's usually paired with a small plus icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this option to start creating your new list. A text field will appear, giving you the opportunity to name your new list. Think about what you want this list to represent. Maybe it's to do, in progress, or completed, or something custom that fits your workflow. Type in the name of the list, and when you're happy with it, click the Add List button. Just like that, your new list will appear on the board. If you want to adjust the order of your lists, you can simply drag and drop the new list to a different position on the board. Click and hold the list, drag it to its new spot, and release. This flexibility allows you to keep your board structured exactly how you need it. And that's it. You can repeat these steps to create additional lists as needed, building out your board to reflect your workflow perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.